If you need to book a driver license appointment in Illinois, the easiest way is to do it online through the official state website. Start by going to the Illinois Secretary of State's website. Make sure it's the official one so you're not redirected to third-party sites. On the homepage, look for the button that says Make a DMV Appointment. When you click it, you'll see two main choices. One is for a regular driver's license or ID appointment, and the other is for a CDL, which is a commercial driver's license. You'll also see options to cancel or change an appointment if you need to adjust later. Before booking, it helps to check what documents you'll need to bring. There's a checklist on the site called the Driver's License and ID Document Checklist. This tool is helpful because it asks you a few quick questions, like whether you're renewing a license, applying for a real ID, or getting a first-time license. Based on your answers, it creates a personalized list of what you should bring with you. Once you've gone through the checklist and know what you need, you can move forward with scheduling. Just select the type of appointment you want, answer the required questions, and confirm the time that works best for you. When you finish, the system gives you a confirmation and you'll be ready for your visit. That's all it takes.